Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
आज JCI वारका सिंस आई एम द प्रेसिडेंट अभी ये मेगा हेल्थ कैंप ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं. गुड रिस्पॉन्स फॉर अ सोसायटी वी हैड डन. आमची सोसायटी लागून लोकांक बेनिफिट्स घेवपाक विच इज फ्री. सो गुड रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळा आमकां. लोक जायते जालो हाय पीपल वर हॅपी. सो आय फील हेच्या मुखार देखून आमी असो जायते कॅम्प हाडले. नॉट ओनली अबाउट हेल्थ मे बी different and coming to our JCI, there are many activities under where our society can benefit, which is really good. And I think as मुखार देखून जायत्या लोकांक मुखार येयन असो JCI join role हे activity मुखार घेवन असो आसा. Nutrition, sugar, there is an Ayurvedic this also doctor as well ENT doctor plus a physician. Physician of Teknaka.
First of all, let me congratulate JCI Varka for this medical camp. I hope many people will take the benefit of this medical camp. My best wishes to the JCI Varka for, I think this is our first project. So I think they have to do a lot of projects, including the environmental projects. I was part of JCI maybe around 20 years back. I'm happy that JCI Varka also has started its activity, and I'm confident under the dynamic leadership of Gina Pereira, the Varka chapter will achieve a new height.